good, right? Buddy, it's easy. Yoo, it's already starting to smell good, isn't it? Come the big brushes. Cleaning the windows. See, it's nothing to it, right? Just little sponges and rags. Pretty easy, right? We're almost done. Now here comes the rinse part. Now we have to go to the blower. Hopefully we don't get sucked up with the blower. That'd be bad, right? Wasn't that easy? Oh. All done. Is that easy? Huh? Piece of cake, right? Did you like it?